Hey everyone, welcome back. We're continuing off from the last point, which is Ryan. Oh, magic hammer.
Ooh, fire rod.
Fire rod.
Man, does Link look pissed off in his picture or what? Like he's like, I fucking hate the fire rod.
It's the worst of the rods.
No, I think it's Navi is floating right next to him, and he's just like, God, Navi, shut up.
I mean, it was weird earlier. Like Navi was inside him. If you remember that.
Yeah. I hope that Link was okay with that. Otherwise, that might be a little sketchy.
Live of the.
Oh boy, rags!
18 of them.
Great.
We can wash so many dishes with these.
How wonderful.
And we can wipe our ass at least 18 times.
That's probably why they're old now. Someone else did.
I mean, look at that brown tint. It's, yeah, let's move on.
Can you just have an old rag armor? I just want to be like a filthy homeless person.
You know,
slaughtering.
you actually use the rags to make armor in this. And
Is it an old rag armor?
Yeah, you pretty much look like it's like a knapsack looking. No, that doesn't actually happen.
God, I wish.
Me too. All right, Elden Caves.
Oh, do you get to play? Oh, you get to play her now?
I do.
That's a her, right?
Yes, Impa. Impa is her. She's the Sheiks, as we were discussing earlier.
The Sheik. The Sheikas.
Sheikas, yeah. She has a giant blade. And
Because anime.
Naginata. I know Japanese.
Naginata. I feel like that was on Rurouni Kenshin. You remember that?
Never watched it, actually.
Oh, it was so good. Is it the 2-blade? Is the Naginata 2, or is it just a really big one? You know, right now, like someone's commenting, like, you idiots, it's the big blade, like, but here we are.
Well, I mean, I'll take the power, the force, because I don't know what you're talking about on that one.
Naginata.
Naginata.
I know that word from somewhere. I don't know how though.
Because it's Japanese sounding.
Yeah, that probably
like Nagasaki. You're thinking Nagasaki? Or sake? You want some sake? Do we have sake?
No.
Oh, I have Natty Bow though. Wonderful Natty Bow.
That's a pretty big ass distraction. Wait, when? I thought I won.
No, you didn't.
Which
You didn't. You.
do I have to do everything? Do I have to do everything?
You did not do a single damn thing. I don't remember seeing. Like all of the guards were like pretty much holding you up in
I
the last
murdered
one.
so many of them. It's not even. You can't even count.
Well, obviously we can't rely on you, and that's why I am playing the next round because I will be able to destroy everything.
Oh, okay. All right.
Oh. God. Yes, weeks passed.
Hey, aren't the Sheikas like the guardians of the Hylian throne?
Yeah. They're not really good at their
They're
job.
not very good, are they?
Not typically. This happens at least every century or so.
Jeez, you think they get fired after a while?
I mean, we're gonna rely on the Zoras. You know what I'm talking about. Crowd, audience, people.
Internet.
Who? Isn't this place cool? And don't you wish you got to play in like this awesome crystallized magma Elden Cave?
That looks fun.
It does look fun, and I'm gonna go have a lot of it.
You got a giant spear-looking thing.
Yeah, suck a dick.
And you're fighting like little skeleton guys.
Yeah, what did you find? Little orcs? Yeah. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at how much fun we're having. Aren't we having fun? Oh, okay. Fix it over. I'm done. I just want to fight skeletons.
All the way into the north to get it. Oh hey, she said the thing. Wait, what's proxy? I thought it was Navi.
There's different. I don't know. The Navi. I mean, there's different fairies throughout the series.
Hey, it's my boy Hylian Captain. I love that guy.
Yeah, let's go save him because that's gonna be.
Oh, I don't love him that much. Let's take it easy. I mean,
Yes, suck a dick.
all birds got to be pushed out of the nest at some point, and I think it's time for Hylian Captain to go.
Hey, you look like you're alone, bitch.
Poor guy. He's just holding on to his bone.
Let's see. There we go. Just...
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
You could have run over there, but why run when you can shoot a hook shot at him?
Play smart, not harder. Yes, that made sense.
You got that. You were totally on top
Nailed
of
it.
that.
Nailed it so hard. Made it like this guy right here. Oh, damn it!
Oh,
You're
yeah,
supposed to grab onto something. Yeah, there we go. I don't even... Oh, rendezvous with the Hylian captain.
Link ain't doing so good this time. Look how much he's not killing everyone.
Here, let me just stand next to you. It's okay. Okay, there you go.
He's not even doing anything. What's the point of them being here?
Mise-en-scène?
Jeez, Link, don't try too hard now.
Let's see. Alright, let's... Oh, you poor outpost captain.
Oh, do the thing.
What? Oh. Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. That was like some trap card Yu-Gi-Oh shit right there.
Actually, I didn't even play with this weapon when I originally played.
You played with the big-ass sword?
Mm-hmm. I mean, because I just kind of played through, and you technically just have to play as you play as the recommended people, and I just kind of did that the first time around, so I never really, like, super played around with everybody. Because I played this game for, like, a good 16 hours and that, and I was like, okay, I'm kind of A-buttoned out, so...
True.
Okay.
So does that thing summon fire? Is that what keeps happening?
Yeah. It's
That's-
pretty... Yeah.
It's pretty sweet.
And you played with a fucking 8-bit sword last time. Little loser.
Why did you make me pick that one? I didn't know any better. You got that giant blade thing with the eyeball?
It was totally worth it. Oh,
Hey,
God.
that wall's a bit cracked. Maybe we can use something to destroy it.
Alright, like what? What
Your
could I-
hook shot. Use your hook shot to destroy it.
Okay. I will, as soon as I find a way over there.
Well, I mean, if it's as powerful as it is in game theory, it must be able to break the wall.
Of course, it would also break my, arm.
Seems worth it. Oh, there
You're-
you go. There's a heart. Now,
Yay!
now go use it.
Now I'm fully healed. Yeah!
It didn't work.
Yeah!
Maybe the red fairy will work?
Maybe. Oh, I can't use potion. I'll throw a boomerang at it. Okay, well.
What about
Arrow.
the hook shot?
You're right, I haven't tried the hook shot yet. The hook shot. Damn it. Why do we suck at this game?
You only have the bowling balls left.
That's not gonna work.
It seems like a...
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Well, let's never speak of this again.
We can edit this part out.
Totally.
So those guys are all just hanging back like, man, I hope she doesn't break through that wall.
And... Oh, no, I won't. Come here, you little fucking Poe. Okay. Hit the Poe. Okay.
Oh, don't you need there to be light near them to kill them or something?
I mean, in every other game, you just kind of wail at them, and when they're visible.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're. I mean, a lot of the games are just kind of wailing with the sword
Gotcha.
or hook shot. Keep boss.
Really deep strategy I'm getting.
Oh yeah, no, it's pretty intense. I spent hours trying to figure out A. How's that pizza?
It's pizza.
No. Alright.
We did it, but it looks like the monsters are, I don't know, something about the monsters.
Where? Oof. God. I don't know what's up and down in this game. Or north and not north.
I think you're going to that Hylian captain guy.
Okay, cool. Here I thought he's gonna die because he does more. He's doing at least swinging. That's the same. Okay.
Well, that's more than what Link's doing right now. Oh, perfect. Mission successful, and then it rained out money.
Making it rain.
Wait, how do you already have it charged up again?
Cause fuck you, that's why.
Because of reasons?
Have you never just reasoned everything?
I don't like using reason. That lava is stopping our progress. We need to find a way to pass it.
Only if I had bombs, but surprisingly enough, that's not how you do this.
I thought bombs were the answer to every world's problem.
Not every world, just the real world. Oh, am I getting all political?
That's the American answer. More monsters have appeared in the South Square. That's gross info.
Just flailing through all these enemies like they're
Goron
fucking...
Captain!
Let's see, where the hell am I? I don't even... Okay...
So wait, why couldn't you use bombs to do the thing?
Well, technically, I guess you do use a bomb. I have to go find the choo-choo bomb. I don't know if you ever...
It's a bomb chew.
Bomb chew. Oh, you do know what a bomb chew is.
I read it on the screen.
Oh, I just thought you actually knew things.
I also know what dark forces are because it's on the screen.
Do you know what Goron captains are?
Is it a captain that's a Goron?
No. It's actually a fine delicacy of cheese in this game.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. Alright. We're... Jump!
Yay, backtracking. Oh, yo, use your thing.
Well, hold on. I have to go through the portion of A mashing before I can use it. There we go. Alright, so... I think this... Yep. So I have to clear this path.
You've defeated 500 enemies. I wonder how many enemies Link has defeated.
Meanwhile,
I'm willing to bet
-1.
0.
He's too pretty. He has subordinates.
Is he just there for moral support? Like, what's going on? Also, is that a cat or a bomb?
That's a bomb chew. Isn't it so adorable?
It looks like a kitty or a mouse.
Like a bomb chew, like a Pikachu,
I don't know what that is.
like a mouse. You don't know what a Pikachu is? Well, see, if you ever played Super Smash Brothers, it's a green thing, right? Did I get it? I nailed it.
I think you're thinking of Peekaboo.
Ah, Peekaboo. God, that throws me back.
Right?
I remember when I used to play Pokemon all the time. I eventually, this is like this was like the beginning of kind of the internet and
Yeah.
internet trolling at that.
Are you talking about fake cheats?
Fake cheats, fake Pokemon. That there is I don't remember the website because I was like 7 when I went on it, but it literally. It was like, okay, so there's this, like, hardcore Pikachu type thing, and it's called, like, Rockachu or something like that, and and it was like, so how you get this Pokemon is you have to stay in Viridian Forest for 4 years, and you just have to let your game be in that for 4 years, and then you can capture this Pokemon. And as a little kid, I was like, okay, I'll do that. And then I never played that Pokemon game again.
Yeah, because 4 years is way too long. In 4 years, like 3 more Pokemon games came out.
It did. And you know what? Ironically, that Pikachu version never came out. Though Peekaboo was actually the first legit thing that was ever talked about on the internet. And it was... Peekaboo was obviously Meryl.
Yeah.
If you remember that. But I didn't know...
Because, like, some promotional art had been released.
Yeah.
And it was Meryl, and and it looked similar to Pikachu. Here's the funny thing, though, is like 6 or 5 generations later, There's still a new Pikachu every single generation.
Is there? I honestly, I haven't really followed it since Gen 2. So...
Yeah. In Gen 3, you got like a plus and a minus Pikachu. In Gen 4...
plus and a minus Pikachu is... I just, like, imagine they're, like, just literally pluses and minuses, like, the equation.
No, like, it's like positive and negative ends of a battery.
Oh, yeah, of course.
So, like, one's red and pluses, and one's blue and minuses. But they look like Pikachu. And then there's... I forget which generation. There's, like, a flying squirrel that's also electric type and, like, Pikachu. And then the most recent one, I believe, is, like, a electric hamster.
Electric hamster.
I'm not even lying right now. It's there's a new Pikachu every single time.
I just remember on Super Smash Brothers, Pichu was just such the worst character. And I was super excited for Pichu because I thought he was like cool and adorable and everything. And then you find out that he, like, you use his electricity and it hurts himself. By the way, Sheik. By the way, this is Sheik. That's Sheik.
That's Sheik. The princess isn't dead. How do you know? Question mark, question mark, question mark.
I love and now she's Sheik. You can call me Sheik. I love like it's such a big mystery, like that it's Sheik. Like nobody's ever played Zelda before, and what?
Why is Impa saying that's impossible? Isn't she a Sheikah?
Yeah, I don't know. I forget the lore with that.
Are they all dead or something?
I think either that or like she knows that she like it's a small clan, so I assume that they all know each other.
Okay.
That's my theory. I forget exactly. I had to look up my in my Hyrulean Historia. Check that out.
Oh, didn't you buy that thing?
I wanted to, but I've only like seen it online. But as soon as I get the money and find a copy, I would totally get that. I mean, it's cool. It's like a huge green book.
Yeah, I think
I would never read like in high school like the history of like
the world.
China.
Yeah. Real life.
Yeah, but I will fucking read up on like some fucking Goron civilization and lore and like their backstory and like their religion.
Oh hell yeah! Like, oh, the Gerudos come from the desert. That's fascinating.
Yeah,
tell me more.
Like what sector of the desert?
Oh, trouble in the Middle East. Boring.
Dude, Middle East, like you mean like the Gerudos?
Speaking of which, what are the dragon, lizard, alligator guys?
They're the Lizaro. It'll say its name in a second.
You sound like you're not very convinced of this.
They say it's like Lizara. Whatever. When I hit one, I'll remember the name because it'll pop up through my memory.
Right.
Oh, that's right. This Bombchu. Yeah, the only issue I have with this game though is like it is super repetitive.
Is it multiplayer at all?
I think so. I have the case right here.
Yeah, let me see. You keep killing me.
No. For Sparta!
Fight with your favorite characters on the battlefield, teaming with foes. Battle from the depths of the water temple to the heights of Skyloft. Hey, did you know you can fight in the water temple here? Includes co-op play with the Wii U gamepad controller. No split screen. Is that...
Oh my god. What am I getting? What is it? It's a weapon! I can check it later.
What? Like, I'm so pumped for this bag. I don't want to look at it right now. Wow, that weapon looks... How do you know? Do you have X-ray vision?
Here. Hell yeah! Oh wait, this is all my people. I don't care.
Not like they're doing anything, right?
The West is about to fall. That's cool. Do I care? I forgot what am I doing? I forgot the objectives to this.
Make sure there's no more living things, probably.
Ah, of course. All right. Well, I gotta go find living things first.
Those look living, for now.
Mission. Oh, to find and defeat Spirit of the Cave. Now, Wizarro, he's kind of cool. One of the wizard bad guy. Because he has an eye.
Right.
But, like, it's weird, though. He talks sometimes. And, like, it'll happen every once in a while. But, like, his eye turns into a mouth.
Okay.
And, I don't know, it's really creepy looking. And it's super surreal. And it could give me a nightmare if I was a child. I definitely would be super freaked out by it.
Did you get a nightmare from it last night? Is that what you're saying right now?
Of course not. I didn't totally wet the bed last night because of it.
Define totally.
Like, I only got like half the comforter.
There were still dry parts?
Yeah.
Well, that's not so bad.
I forgot.
You were in the heart of the stronghold, and now you're just running by these guys.
I think I have to get like down there to the south.
The stone square is about to fall.
I don't care.
You need to turn around.
I don't care. This is exciting.
Well, the crystals are pretty cool.
This is some hot running action. Okay.
You'd throw a bomb at something.
Oh, god damn it. I can't go that way. Whatever. Don't care.
Not the stone square!
I think this is the way to go.
You are totally lost right now.
No, I got this. I totally, like, obviously I'm going the right way because look at all the bad guys that I'm fighting. Good, okay, now, wait, what?
The Lazofos. Is that what they are? Lizophos?
Yes. I'm supposed to fight this thing, that's right. The Spirit of the Cave, which is just like the rest of the...
He looks exactly like the other ghosts you've been killing.
No, he has a lighter tint.
Does he?
Sure. That is what I'm going with because you're an idiot, and you'll believe me.
Okay.
See?
Mission successful.
Super hard. Alright, and more shit.
So what are you doing now, exactly?
One tunnel square gate has opened, so... I'm going to the talking. Hey look, a Lazara thing.
Hey, ninja person, we'll be out in no time. Just come with us. Didn't she say you can call me Sheik?
Yeah. Okay.
You need the Pikachu bomb again.
Of course I do. I forgot how long and drawn out these missions are, though. I guess, like, the first time I played it, I was like, yeah, this is amazing. I love Zelda. I love fighting, and I love pressing A. But, like, now
you are the Zelda fan base to a T.
Pretty much. But now that I have that, now that I have, like, my nostalgia, like, satisfied, I'm just like, alright.
Where's Majora's Mask?
Right? Like, no, let's serious talk. I really wanted that pre-order, but I missed it. Because it, like, you know what I'm talking about with the pre-order, right?
No, so the pre-order.
So there, for like the super awesome pre-order, they have like the Link with like the Majora's Mask statue with it, and it's really cool. But as soon as it got announced, it immediately sold out. Like, I was at work, I had a job to like do. Like, there was just people who were just like standing in line and got it, and I was at work.
Yeah, what are you doing with
your life? I really wish
that
was like the one time I was like, I want to be unemployed, but then I need money. But you know, worth it. I'm just gonna get rid of my.
So are they sold out? Are they
done? They sold out in like 6 hours. So I mean, you can still get the regular version, but I mean,
it's not the same.
I'm going to do it. but I'm just gonna be bitter because I don't have that statue.
Oh, good. Now you have something to complain about.
Thank God.
Oh, I thought you just killed one of your guys.
I really wish I did.
I was like, oh, poor Goron.
Alright. Good. Now let's wait for the bomb shoot. Let's wait for the bomb shoot to go. Oh.
That's a pretty ring.
That is nice. Ah, it comes with a very disturbing hand.
And it's,
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Isn't... Right? Creepy?
It looks like the Black Mage from, Final Fantasy.
Shh. No. That's... I know what you're talking about. Internet, help me out, please.
Yeah, they can't hear us right now.
Please? Please? Anyone?
But yeah, the Black Mages.
Yeah. I think it's creepy. Like, but no, that is like way creepier with the whole mouth thing.
Yeah. Really, any time that body parts on the face switch to other body parts is not a good thing. If eyes become mouths, or mouths become eyes, or noses become ears, it's just never a good time.
Dark forces have stopped. Alright. Why are there so many? Okay, here we go. This is gonna be good.
Damn, did you get all of holy
Yeah.
shit?
Yeah. You know
Oh,
what?
damn.
Oh, come
and
on.
They are all back. They did not even get phased by that.
This is fucking bullshit. I just want to get this bomb to get to wherever it needs to go. I'm not even paying attention when.
Nope, it was too easy. You didn't deserve it. You didn't earn it.
What do you mean I didn't fucking earn it?
You gotta fight each one.
I like saved up all my kills and I had a little A bar happen, and waboom! Is it? Do I have to do another one?
Destroyed one.
Can't I just fucking jump over?
Nope. No jumping.
There is no jumping in this. Wait.
You know what's the funny thing, though? Is that the bomb shoot the last time it blew up, there were like 4 of your guards just standing like right next to it. It's like, this powerful bomb's about to go off, and then it blew up, and then they were fine. I was like,
God.
how powerful are those guys?
I mean, all they have to do is like just fucking sit there. And I mean, look at the.
Whoa, Wizarro.
Where are you? All right.
You got your thing. Whoa. So is that kind of like the
It's like the
power mode
overdrive
from Marvel vs. Capcom?
Yeah, essentially. And then when it filters out and finishes, it does like a final move like that.
That's cool. Oh, what was that?
That was the end of that.
Okay. Did you get him?
I think so. He did.
He did.
He did. He not just did, but he really did.
Where's the Colonel?
Where is the bomb chew? Well, there you are.
Oh, now he can go through, guys.
Come on, little bomb chew. Suck a dick. Really?
Wow.
All right. Well, that was very anticlimactic.
What did he say?
That translates to "this guy ain't easy." It's not even proper grammar.
You're standing right next to the goddamn bomb.
And you know what? I'm OP. Not even a single heart gone.
What are those things?
I think I won. I think this is the end. Great, now we can get to the exit. Thanks a lot, everyone. You did shit.
Leave them. You can just do it on your own.
Head for the cave exit. I can do that. Oh, thanks, Link. Thanks for joining. And now everyone... Yep, we're done. Because I can't hit or anything. And now I have to sit through dialogue.
But now we get to hear the story of how they leave the cave.
Like this. They go through it, and I can't because walls.
Well,
now
I
we're
was
just
thoroughly satisfied by how you left that cave.
It's I mean, you're... Why?
Did Proxy say, I hope she's Princess Zelda? Who is she talking about?
Not Sheik?
Probably not
Because
Sheik.
Sheik is totally not Zelda.
This is so weird. Alright. Okay. Alright, we get it. Okay. Pretty eyes, though.
Yeah. Like a Istanbul.
Or like a...
From Full Metal Alchemist.
Or Uchiha with the Sharingan.
Yes.
Yes.
I wish I knew what that was.
It's the Naruto thing.
Why would you make that reference like I knew what the fucking
I don't know,
Naruto
this is
thing?
pretty early on.
Is that like Leaf Clan?
Ugh.
Is that, did I get that?
Not even close.
Did I nail that?
No.
No.
You wrenched it. That's how bad you did.
Nice.
Alright, that's all for this episode. Tune in next time as I get to play again, so it's gonna be great.
Yeah, or we move on to another game. I don't know.
Thanks for watching.